Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Glow Up podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you're here today.
My name is Luna.
And I'm Zay.
This podcast is for English learners who want to speak English with more confidence.
We use easy English, simple grammar, and real-life conversations.
Today's topic is something very important and very useful.
Yes. Today we are talking about easy phone conversations in English.
Many English learners feel nervous when talking on the phone.
Because on the phone, you cannot see the other person's face.
Sometimes people speak fast.
Sometimes the sound is not clear.
And sometimes you don't know what to say first.
But don't worry. Today we will help you step by step.
We will practice simple phone conversations that people use every day in the USA.
Like calling a friend,
Calling a restaurant,
calling a doctor's office,
talking to customer service.
and even answering unknown calls.
We will also teach useful phone phrases.
Very easy phrases for beginners.
Before we start, please support our channel.
Like this episode,
Subscribe to the English Glow Up podcast.
and share this with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, Zay, imagine I am calling you.
All right.
What is the first thing I say?
Usually people say, hello?
Yes, very simple.
In the USA, many people answer the phone with, hello? Hi. Hey. Hello. This is Zay.
Let's practice.
I'll answer first.
Ring ring.
Hello?
Hi, Zay. This is Luna.
Oh, hi, Luna. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
One important phrase is, this is.
Example, this is Luna. This is Mike. This is Sarah.
It means you are telling your name.
Listen and repeat. Hello?
Hi, this is Luna.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Now let's do a longer conversation.
A friendly everyday phone call.
Hello?
Hey, Luna. This is Zay.
Hi, Zay. What's up?
Not much. I just finished work.
Oh, nice. Are you tired?
A little bit.
Same here.
Do you want to get coffee later?
Sure. What time?
Maybe around 6 p.m.
Sounds good.
Awesome. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
What's up means how are you or what are you doing?
Not much means nothing special is happening.
Sounds good means okay. I like that idea.
In the USA, many people use short and friendly language on the phone.
Especially with friends.
People often say, hey, cool, awesome, sounds good.
These are casual expressions. Sometimes phone calls are difficult.
Maybe the signal is bad.
Or the person speaks too fast.
So what can you say?
Here are very important phrases. Can you repeat that? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you speak slowly? The connection is bad. You're breaking up.
You're breaking up means the sound is cutting.
Hello.
Hi, Luna. Are you coming tomorrow at 11?
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, better now.
Are you coming tomorrow at 11 a.m.?
Yes, I am.
Repeat after me. Can you speak slowly?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Can you repeat that?
This is very common in the USA.
Yes. People call restaurants for takeout orders.
Let's practice a simple food order.
Thank you for calling Pizza House. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza.
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
What toppings would you like?
Pepperoni and mushrooms.
Anything else?
Yes, 1 Coke.
Okay. Pickup or delivery?
Delivery, please.
What's your address?
25 Green Street.
Great. Your order will arrive in 30 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'd like to order.
This is very polite.
Example, I'd like to order a burger. I'd like to order Chinese food.
Let's learn some restaurant words. Pickup delivery, menu, order, toppings, drink, combo.
Very useful words.
Many people feel nervous calling a doctor.
But the conversation is usually simple. Good morning, Green Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Sure. What's your name?
My name is Zay Brown.
What day works for you?
Friday morning, please.
We have 10 a.m. available.
That works for me.
Great. See you Friday.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Very important phrase.
Another useful phrase. That works for me.
It means the time is okay.
Sometimes you need help with your phone bill,
Internet
bank account.
or online shopping. Thank you for calling customer support. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I didn't receive my package.
Can I have your order number?
Yes, it's 45821.
Thank you. Let me check.
Okay.
Your package will arrive tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I have a problem with.
Example. I have a problem with my internet. I have a problem with my order.
Another useful phrase. Can I have your order number?
This means they need information from you.
Sometimes people don't answer the phone.
Then you leave a voicemail.
A voicemail is a recorded message.
Hi, Sarah. This is Zay. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. Please call me back when you can. Thank you.
Please call me back.
Very common in the USA.
Hi, Mike. This is Luna. Sorry I missed your call. Please text me later. Bye.
Sometimes you call the wrong person.
It happens to everyone. Hello?
Hi, is Kevin there?
Sorry, wrong number.
Oh, sorry about that.
New problem. Wrong number.
Sorry, I think I called the wrong number.
In America, people often make plans by phone.
So, time vocabulary is important. Common time phrases. What time? Around 5 p.m. See you tomorrow. Are you free tonight? Let's meet this weekend. Hey, Luna, are you free tonight?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Sure, what time?
Around 7 p.m.
Perfect. Let's practice a work phone call.
This one is more professional.
Good afternoon. Bright Tech Company.
Hi, may I speak to Mr. Johnson?
One moment, please.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. He's in a meeting right now.
Okay, can I leave a message?
Of course.
Please tell him Zay called.
Sure, I will let him know. May I speak to?
Very polite.
One moment, please.
Means please wait.
Can I leave a message?
Super useful at work.
Phone numbers in the USA are usually spoken slowly.
Example 555-281-9090.
555-281-9090.
Americans often say O for zero.
Example 9090.
Repeat after me. Can you say that again?
What's your phone number?
My number is 555-218-4401.
Now let's practice a hotel phone call.
Thank you for calling Sunset Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room.
What dates?
July 10th to July 12th.
Okay. 1 bed or 2 beds?
1 bed, please.
Great. Can I have your name?
Luna Carter.
Your room is booked.
Thank you. Book, reservation, check-in, check-out, room, available.
In some places, people still call taxis.
Let's practice. City taxi. How can I help you?
Hi, I need a taxi.
What's your address?
45 Main Street.
Where are you going?
JFK Airport.
Okay. The driver will arrive in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Many learners are scared of phone calls.
That's very normal.
Even native speakers sometimes feel nervous.
Here are some easy tips. Tip 1. Smile while talking.
People can hear your friendly voice. Tip 2. Speak slowly.
Slow English is okay.
Tip 3. Practice common phrases.
Repeating simple phrases helps a lot.
Tip 4. Write notes.
Before the call, write important words.
Tip 5. Don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn. Americans use many casual expressions.
Let's learn a few easy ones. Expression 1. Hang on.
It means wait. Example, hang on 1 second.
Expression 2. Give me a call.
It means call me. Example, give me a call tonight.
Expression 3. I'll text you.
Very common.
Expression 4. Talk to you later.
Friendly goodbye. Hey Luna, can you hang on a second?
Sure.
Thanks. I'll call you back later.
Okay. Talk to you later. Sometimes you call stores to ask questions.
Hello, Tech World Store.
Hi, do you have iPhone chargers?
Yes, we do.
How much are they?
They are $20.
Great. Thank you.
No problem.
Do you have? How much is it? Are you open today? Okay, everyone. This is important.
In the USA, emergency number is 911.
People call 911 for police, fire, or ambulance emergencies.
911. What's your emergency?
I need an ambulance.
What's your address?
15 Pine Street.
Help is coming.
Emergency, ambulance, police, firefighter, help. Let's learn simple ways to end a call.
Common goodbye phrases. Bye. Talk to you later. See you soon. Have a great day. Take care. All right. I have to go now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Now let's do shadowing practice.
Shadowing means repeat after us immediately.
Hello, this is Luna.
Can you repeat that?
I'd like to order a pizza.
Please call me back.
May I speak to Mr. Brown?
1 moment, please.
That works for me.
Talk to you later.
Let's do one final real-life conversation.
Imagine you are new in America.
And you need to call your internet company.
Thank you for calling Fastnet Internet.
Hi, my internet is not working.
I'm sorry about that. Can I have your account number?
Yes, it's 784512.
Thank you. 1 moment, please.
Okay.
I see the problem. We are fixing it now.
Oh, okay. When will it work again?
In about 1 hour.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Great job, everyone.
Today we practiced even more easy phone conversations.
We learned English for school calls, family calls, job interviews, airport conversations, asking for help.
And we also learned many useful American expressions.
Remember, the more you practice, the easier phone calls become.
Try speaking these conversations out loud.
You can even practice with friends.
Or practice alone in front of a mirror.
Before we go, here's today's fun question.
Who do you talk to most on the phone?
Friends
Family?
or coworkers?
Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to the English Glow Up podcast.
And keep practicing English every single day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.